In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the Google search bar on the home screen of your Android device. So what you want to do is long press on an empty space in your home screen and then select Widgets. In your widgets, you can use the search function to look for Chrome, or you can just scroll through your widgets until you find it. So when you've selected Chrome, look for the search bar option. So you'll have Chrome search and then Chrome shortcuts. So you choose which type of search bar you want, and then just long press on that and drop it anywhere on the screen. So now you can just drag it. You can long press and drag it to any position you'd like. You can choose to increase it or decrease the size. It's all up to you. Then when you're done, just tap on an empty space and you'll see your new search bar. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.